turning colder, one of our favorite things to do is put out bird feeders for those winter birds. We're going to show you today how to make a fun, kid-friendly and bird-friendly bird feeder. Let's get started. Supplies you'll need for this project include wooden popsicle sticks, string, glue, and birdseed. First we need to lay out 10 popsicle sticks side by side. Then we'll add a bead of glue along the top, in the middle, and on the bottom. Then add a popsicle stick to each of those beads of glue to hold the 10 popsicle sticks together. Next we'll add a dot of glue at each 4 corners and add popsicle sticks along the side. Do that same thing again, adding a dab of glue to each 4 corners. This time we'll add the popsicle sticks to the top and the bottom. We're going to continue adding dabs of glue and the popsicle sticks on the side, and then alternating to the top and the bottom. We'll do this until we get about 1.5 inches high on our bird feeder. Once you have the sides built up as high as they need to be, go ahead and set it aside for a few hours and let it completely dry. Now that our bird feeder is pretty much dry, we're going to flip it over and just add 2 more sticks to the bottom so that way it doesn't fall apart while the birds are eating out of it. And then we'll give those a few more minutes to dry. Once your bird feeder is completely dry, we can go ahead and add the strings. You can also add some paint and decorations if you like. To add the string, we're simply going to thread a piece of string through the top popsicle sticks on one corner, then take the other end of the string and thread it through the opposite corner, tying it on the same way. Make sure you leave enough string in the middle to be able to hang it from a branch or pole. Trim off any excess string on the end, and now you're ready to add your bird seed. As you can tell, in the end, we decided to add another string on the other 2 corners of our bird feeder just to give it a little more stability as we hung it up for the birds. Now we're ready for those winter birds to come and enjoy a little snack. For more fun ideas like these, be sure to check out Flipsies.com.